you can see, look at how the smoke is coming out. This is hot corn. Hello, good evening. So please don't forget to subscribe. I still remain Chef Michael. Another edition. Today's edition, I'm going to show you how to make hot garlic jumbo prawns. Before how to show you how to make hot garlic jumbo prawns, but don't forget to subscribe and like also. Here, this is garlic. This is green chili. This is my salt, and this is chili powder. This is my spring onions. Yeah, this is my egg. This is corn flour. This is all-purpose flour, and this is my prawns. Yeah, this is water. First of all, before you make hot garlic jumbo prawns, first of all, we do have to marinate the prawns, then I'll fry it. So what I will do is I'll first of all put my egg, put some chili powder, salt, and I'll stir it together. After stirring it together, I'll put all-purpose flour. This is how to make the batter. All-purpose flour. Put corn flour and mix it together. Add a little bit of water so you can be able to mix it very well. Mix it together very well. I'll mix everything very well inside a deep fry so that everything will mix together. Use my oil. I heat my oil. I put it one after the other. I would like to fry it for some time. As you can see, like 10 to 15 minutes. Once it's ready, so I'm going to remove it gently from the oil. I will strain it proper. Before making hot garlic jumbo prawns, what you do, first of all, heat up your hot plate. This is for hot plates. This is where you serve your prawns. Then I'm going to heat up my pan. When I heat up my pan, I'll add small little oil. Add little oil. Then I'll put, this is my garlic, this is my chopped chili. Put enough garlic. This is called hot garlic jumbo prawns. I'll fry it until when I get brown color. I'll fry it gently until the garlic and the chili become brown. Now you can see it's getting brown now. Then I'll put my water. I'll stir it. Now add small little corn flour. I'll add little corn flour to it so that to make it juicy. You can see it's very yummy. Then I'll remove my hot plate. I'll serve it here. Very yummy and juicy. I'll serve it here. Then I'll add little butter to the hot plate. So please don't forget to subscribe. I still remain Chef Michael.